How you doing, everybody? Today I am unboxing the FMINDK39. This is our induction kit for the 1 litre TSI. We have confirmed fitment on this on the Seat Ibiza and Ateca, and believe it should also fit the Volkswagen Polo, the Volkswagen Golf, your Skoda Kodiaq, pretty much any VAG 1 litre platform or the new 1 litre platform. However, if you check out the listing on our website, in the product, near the product description for the INDK39, we have a section called May Also Fit, where you can fill in a form and become one of the kind of Forge approved test technicians. We'll work with you if you want to try and test fit on your vehicle, and we'll work with you to make sure that it does fit, and also, you know, give you a sweet deal on the product. But let's carry on and unbox it for now. Before I do unbox it, sorry, you can get these from ourselves, UK, USA or Asia, or from any of our loyal distributors. We'll put a link to the distributors section in the description for this, and you can support your local dealer or distributor. They can install it for you. You can give it a go yourself, whichever you prefer. First thing you need in all of our kits, this sticker. It's 10 horsepower, stick it straight on your car. It's not, don't quote me on that. And this handy QR code. You can scan the instructions, type in URL, search for the part number that you have, in this case INDK39, and you'll get installation where you can download, the installation guide, step-by-step instructions, everything you need to know on how to install it. We provide absolutely everything you need to make sure that this installation goes as smoothly as possible. You have your aluminium joiners, and then also, if we get into here, all of your nuts, bolts, brackets, and hose clamps, everything you need to connect everything in place. Then move on to nice Hypercross foam filter. You see a nice brand in there, Hypercross Forge. This connects straight up onto the aluminium airbox, which I'll show you in a second. And a large bore, I'm talking, hold on. There we go. Large bore, multiply silicone hose. You can see the construction of it here, how this is flattened out to make sure that it doesn't interfere when the bonnet's shut, and it sits nice on top of your engine. The multiply is to literally, it's made of multiple layers of silicone to make sure that it can withstand and has a kind of good strengthy, strong construction, and a nice smooth interior of the hose to make sure that the air flows freely, there's no turbulence, nice clean cold air getting into the engine bay. If you want to know more about that, you can check out our video on the benefits of an induction kit, also on our YouTube channel. The hoses are available in black, blue or red. You can also check out the colors for those on our website. And then move on to the tray. Nicely protected in the packaging. Aluminium tray, hand fabricated here in the UK in our fabrication building in Gloucester. You see those nice beautiful welds and the details on it. Your filter sits straight in here, nice and easy, and this part links straight up to the OEM ducting, so you make sure, well, we make sure that it fits nicely with the OEM setup, and you get all of that cold air coming straight into the filter. What's really nice on this one as well, just to make it sit pretty in your engine bay, we also supply an aluminium lid. So when the filter's inside, once it's all fitted up, you can cover it up and it makes sure that the cold air stays in and around the filter. It's a really, really beautiful setup. It looks incredible in your engine bay. So on the dyno, when we test fitted this, we saw gains of about 5 brake horsepower, 6 foot-pounds of torque, which is an incredible gain for a little 1 litre engine. And not only will you get those beautiful power gains, if you pair this up with something like our atmospheric dump valve, FMINDK39, you'll get an incredible acoustic noise. You'll get the noise from the induction kit, you'll get the noise from the valve. It will sound incredible, and not only that, if you color match the hoses, it will look amazing in your engine bay as well. That's it. That was a quick unboxing video of FMINDK39. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you could leave a comment, let us know what you think of the induction kit, if you have one fitted, if there's anything else you'd like to see us unbox, or if you have any questions or queries, feel free to get in contact with us. We are always happy to help. And thank you very much. Have a good one.